Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I decided to decorate a tabletop for you for Christmas in July. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I come in and out of the video making progress with this table. Now I started out in the center with this beautiful cloche that I DIY'd not that long ago. It is gorgeous with items that I thrifted from the Salvation Army. Now I did embellish that cloche with items that I received from BB Crafts. Now I am an affiliate of BB Crafts, so I'm going to be linking their website and the items that I used to decorate this cloche down below in the description box along with the discount code. Amazing! Now the red vase that I put down there with the red poinsettias, that was a DIY, and the poinsettias, I think I got them for a great buy at the Salvation Army. Now the table, I think, came out absolutely gorgeous. Either the items were thrifted or I DIY'd them and embellished them. This came out totally amazing, and I hope that you enjoyed this display. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Now the candles are lit. Let's go take a closer look.